Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to get the Princess Cap in the Pizza Party March 2019 event. This is the princess hat right here, royalty party hat. So to be able to get this, you need to get into games like Apple Picking Simulator, Trade Hangout, and Turtle Island and stuff like that. Today, for this example, I'll get into Trade Hangout. Make sure you have your community launcher with you. So Trade Hangout, you have to get BC, or you can just go to Turtle Island and do the same thing I did. Many different games that you can do this on. It's just different, same results, just different games. So when we get into this, we should have our pizza launcher. Yes, we have our pizza launcher, and you just want to shoot it at people. Wait. Yes. So as you can see on the floor, there's a bunch of pizzas. So once people launch the pizzas, you want to pick it up. And you get the royal party hat. So it's these like red pizzas and stuff like that on the ground that you gotta pick up to get the princess hat. Yep. So if you go to my avatar, you will be able to see that now I have a princess cap in my inventory. The royalty party hats. Take out my pianata hat for a second. And there it is. Please leave a like, subscribe, and see my other tutorial videos. And yeah, peace.